Welcome to the Creating Assessments and Adding Questions to Assessments short version demo. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. This demo shows you how to use a limited number of features. On the course navigation bar, click on the Assessments link. Click New. On the Properties tab, type in the name of your assessment. Example, Week 5 Quiz Retake. For the Category drop-down menu, select the category to organize your assessment list. Example, click Add Category link. Type in your category name and click the Save button. The assessment can be connected to an already set up gradebook. Use the drop-down menu to select the correct grade item. Notice that categories appear in italics. You can only choose grade items that appear in regular text. Click Add a Grade Item to create a new grade item. Check the box for Auto Export to Grades. This allows the grade to show up in the gradebook. Check the box next to Automatically Grade for D2L to automatically grade the assessment. This function will not work if the test contains long answer questions. Click Save Assessment. Under the Restrictions tab, set the status as active for students to see it. Set start and end date options and choose to have this displayed in the calendar. In the Security Options section, you can choose to use a Respondus Lockdown browser. For timing, you can set a time limit. Choose to enforce the time limit or show the clock. Type in a grace period of 1 minute in the text field to determine how many minutes the user has after the time limit has expired to submit the assessment before it is flagged late. Select Late Submission options. These are explained by clicking on the question mark. Under the Attempts tab, you have the option for how many attempts the student get on the assessment and which attempt is used for their grade. Click Save Assessment. Under the Submission Views tab, you decide what the student sees when they turn in their assessment. By default, the only thing the student sees at the end is their final grade. If you check the box on the Properties tab for auto grading, click on the default view link. Example, your assessment has been submitted successfully. You have the option to show the students the question on the assessment, how much information about the question you want to give them, and class statistics. Example, yes. Show all questions with user responses. Show question score and out of score. Show class average. Click Save View in the top right corner. Finally, under the Question and Layouts tab, is where the questions are added to the assessment. Click on the Add and Edit Questions button. This is the same screen you had when you were creating questions in the question library. Click on the Import button. Under Import Source, choose from Existing Collection. From Source Collection, choose Question Library. Under Source Section, select the name of the section you saved your questions under. After the screen refreshes, select the questions you want on the assessment. If you want all of the questions, select the box at the top next to the section name. When you are finished selecting questions, click the Save button. When you are finished making changes, click the Return Back to Assessments Layout and Question link. When you are finished making changes, click the Save Assessment button. Click on the assessment list link. You have now successfully created an assessment and added questions to it.